Hello friends, welcome back in my channel with the new video. Uh, Here we have Altendorf panel saw machine. Here I have something I am going to explain about electrical part, maintenance part. Here we have a door safety switch. If you open this door safety switch, it comes an alarm like E46, and this machine have two emergency stop, one at front side and another at back side, and this switch for main saw starting and this for scoring saw starting and off, total off. So if we make push any button amongst from these two, uh, it come error alarm 47 or 48. Here you can see 48, and it seems like an indication here for the emergency. Okay, now let I going to start explain about these all motor function here for adjustment. Look, this one for main saw, top and bottom. You can adjust main saw, like you can press set. You can put any value, like here we already set 18 mm. Now let I put something 30. Oh, wait, this is the main saw, up and down. Let I put 32. This switch is the main saw, up and down. Okay, set. You can see. Now let me make it 0. Set. And this key is for angle position set. I make jumper here because this switch was not working. Now you can set any angle like 45 degree. Set. You can see it's moving in 45 degree. Now you can make it 0. Yeah. Okay, it's come in 0 position. Let me set some value like 32 here. Okay. Now let we see the let we check this scoring saw up and down. That's from here. I think this one is totally down. Now we can make it up. This coming up. Here we can see the motor. Okay, now this one for down. Now let's try to run this. Start. It's start in start. Now in delta. Now we can start scoring saw also. It's automatically coming up. And we stop from here. After stop, it coming down automatically. So this is all the advantage of Germany make machines. Now more about this one, middle one is for moving the scoring saw left and right or front or back, like this. This is totally it. You can see slight movement. This moving front. Okay, now this one for this is scoring saw. Okay, so here is the way you can operate the machine, like and here you can see an encoder there, which sends the position of all the axes like inclined and top bottom position. So that's all about this machine. I will show you internal structure of how the motor is working. This for angle adjustment, this for angle adjustment, and here is for height, this motor for height. That I want to cut a panel of 100 mm. Set. I think it's out of the limit range, so 76 mm is the maximum limit. Try to make it 0. It's coming 0. Angle position, I want to make it in 45 degree. Okay, now the main saw up, 32 mm. Okay, here is the limit switch for proxy sensor for this up and down. Let me zero all zeros. Set. Now for angle 0, okay. So here is some functionality of this under Altendrof automatic panel saw machine. Thank you friend. If you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe.